Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another new chat recipe, pani puri. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for all my future video notifications. Let's make the puri dough first. I'm adding 1.5 cup of suji, 4 tablespoons of maida and 3 tablespoons of oil and mixing it together. And now that turns out to be a crumbly texture. We shall heat up some water and add around half a cup of hot water into this and knead well. When the dough forms together, you need to knead it really well until it becomes a really soft dough, at least 5 minutes. Now I'm going to close it with a towel and leave it for around 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, it's going to turn out to be a good soft dough. So I'm transferring it to the platform and I'm going to divide it into 2 portions. Flatten it using a rolling pin. Do not flatten too thin. Let it be slightly thick so that the puri becomes puffy when we fry it. So that's the thickness we need. I'm using a small container lid to cut smaller circles from this. You can use any tool to do this step. Let the diameter of each puri be at least 2.5 to 3 inches. So now the puris are ready. Let us fry them in the hot oil. So into the hot oil, I'm going to slowly drop down the puris we made. Just look at the puris, that is going to puff up very beautifully. Yeah, one has come up, the second one is coming up, the third one is also coming up. Almost everything is done. I've slightly overcrowded the puri, so one is not done well. The one that is below the oil, that will not puff up, that will be still flat, that is going to be waste. So do not overcrowd it and take it out once it is golden. And also the temperature is very important. At the right temperature, if you drop the puris, that will come out really well. Now for the pani, I am adding half a cup of pudina, half a cup of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and salt according to your taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I am also adding cumin seeds, a whole cumin seed, 1 teaspoon, and 1 inch of ginger without skin and 2 green chilies. Let me blend it into a fine paste. Now I shall dilute it. I'm adding around 4 cups of cold water. If you want it to be more thin, you can add more water. If you want it to be thick, you can reduce the water. If you feel this is spicy, you can reduce the amount of chili. And I'm also adding extra salt because I need it. If you do not need it, you can skip it. So now we are filtering it into a final bowl. So yeah, we are almost done. We just have to garnish it with the salted bundi just before we serve it. Otherwise the bundi will become little soggy. Let the crisp be there. So now we shall make the stuffing. Into 1 mashed potato, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, half finely chopped onions, pinch of turmeric powder, salt according to your taste and half a teaspoon of chili powder. If you like more chaat masala, you can add that also, that is totally optional. Mix it well and you are done with it. Just garnish it with more of aloo bhujia if you like it. So now it's time to eat the pani puri along with the stuffing and the pani. You wanna have a bite? Do try it at home and tell me how did it turn out to be in the comment section. I'm sure it's tempting you all. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.